Welcome back to Hussar Airsoft, guys. Today I'm bringing you a quick video from a really nice airsoft site called No Man's Land up in Barnsley in the UK. They have a nice blend of CQB and woodland. It makes a really nice gameplay and I love my time playing at this site, but more on that later. Now I'm going to introduce Danny, you know her from the last video, Bailey playing his first game ever, and Jonas is back again on the channel. So let's go.
Yeah, is there a crossbow? Is there a crossbow? Right, let's go. Oh, you need that, you numpty. Go!
I'm gonna be honest, guys, I didn't get much action for the first game of the day, but it's at the end when I was the MVP.
Dead man. Good job, buddy. Nice, you do.
Friendly hit.
In this next game mode, we were tasked with clearing out the Fubar building and all of the enemies that were inside of it. This meant going into a very dark building with no lighting, so I decided to lay down my rifle and take just my knife.
I'm coming, dead man coming out. Cheers. Nice kill.
Dead man!
Nice kill.
Oh, hit. I'm hit.
Yeah, Michal, there's one of them right around that section.
Okay, I'm gonna go down.
This next game was mainly about ground control, and I had a lot of fun flanking the enemy. I was a bit unsure on the third kill, but it does seem like the player does call the hit just a little bit late.
Yeah, boys, right, you got the flag, bro? Let's go. Right, what's the flag, everybody? Time for man. Just do what you do, bro. Foot bandit.
You want to do this one?
Oh, hell no. You covered?
So that's it for today's shorter video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ever up near the Barnsley area in the UK, you should definitely check this site out, No Man's Land Airsoft. Link will be in the description. Get yourself booked on, try the game, try the site. It's a really nice site. It's really well run. The staff are just really nice people, and yeah, it's just a great site overall. Check it out, and thank you for watching. If you're new here, subscribe.